Hey, so I'm going to just show you what I typed in on my graphing calculator. So I'm just using the matrix function on here. I typed in that first matrix, the large matrix, the 3 by 3, onto this 5. So you'll see that it should match up with that 3 by 3 that I had here on paper. So yeah, this one right here. So I typed in all the same ones, and then I typed in on the matrix number 6, this matrix right here, the 3, 2, -3, so that's what's there. And from matrices, you should realize, essentially, if you have all 3 of these written out here, finding this, the fast way of doing a system of equations, it's just this matrix essentially divided by this one, right? It's just algebra, like ax equals y, right? How do you find x? You just do y divided by a. So I'm going to be doing this matrix divided by this one. Dividing a matrix is the same thing as multiplying by its inverse, right? So that's exactly what I'm doing here. That you can see I already tested it out up here. So this is exactly what's going to happen when you type in the matrix and you type in, so that one, and then I'm using the inverse function, and then I am going to multiply that by matrix F. You'll see that we get an error. So error here. So that's why. So I'm working on this problem down here. I'm still working on this one up here because it's just written a little bit funky, but this one down here, the answer to this one is no, because we've just proved that there is no, we basically just proved that this x1, x2, x3 does not exist. This system of equations right here does not exist, which is why we get the error. So the answer to this one is no. If that one is in span. So if it's worded like that, that's exactly how you would go about and do it. And the easiest way is just to type that in on your graphing calculator. I will keep you posted on the other 2, but this one seems like the most straightforward question out of all 3 of them. So that's the one I was able to find first.